The Icetine watch, aiming to tailor fitness plans with ChatGPT, has sparked interest with its AI-powered approach to personalized fitness training. However, before diving in, let's consider its potential benefits and drawbacks to help you decide if it aligns with your fitness goals and expectations. Promising aspects: AI-powered personalization. Utilizing ChatGPT, the watch supposedly analyzes your brainwaves and tailors fitness plans based on your emotional state, stress levels, and learning style. This personalized approach could be highly engaging and effective. Interactive experience. Games, puzzles, and challenges offered by the watch could gamify workouts, making them more fun and motivating. Comprehensive features. Additional features like sleep monitoring, health and fitness tracking, and remote training provide a holistic approach to well-being. EEG technology. The watch measures your brainwaves through EEG technology. This data is then used by ChatGPT to assess your emotional state, stress levels, and learning style. Heart rate monitoring. The watch tracks your heart rate throughout the day. This data is used to assess your fitness level and progress. Activity tracking. The watch tracks your steps, distance, and calories burned. This data is used to create personalized workout plans. Sleep tracking. The watch tracks your sleep quality and duration. This data is used to assess your overall health and well-being. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Icetine watch. Pros: AI-powered personalization, interactive experience, comprehensive features. Cons: new technology, ethical concerns, accuracy and suitability. Overall, the Icetine watch, with its promise of AI-powered personalized fitness plans tailored through ChatGPT and EEG technology, presents an intriguing concept. The decision of whether the Icetine watch is right for you depends on your individual priorities, budget, and willingness to embrace new technology in the fitness realm, and potential maintenance needs are important factors to consider before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.